I understand you want to earn more. But everywhere you turn, someone is trying to sell you a course, a subscription, or some secret system that costs money you don't have. And when you're a student or just starting out, even spending $10 can feel impossible. That's exactly why I made this video. Because the truth is, you can start earning online without paying for a website, a course, or a single tool. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you real, free, beginner-friendly side hustles that people are already using right now. Side hustles that don't require experience, don't require investment, and don't waste your time. Most beginners get stuck because they make the same mistakes over and over, trying everything and sticking to nothing. Watching videos for motivation instead of taking action. Thinking they need perfect skills before starting. You don't need perfection. You just need one good idea and consistent action. Side hustle number 1. Freelancing with skills you already have. Can you type fast? Can you speak English? Can you organize? Congratulations, that's a skill. On platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, you just pick one simple skill. Create a clean beginner profile, offer microservices like typing, data entry, Canva editing, or transcription. Deliver fast, get first reviews, raise your rates. Beginners get hired more often than you think. Side hustle number 2. Phone-based content creation. You don't need a camera. You don't need lighting. Your phone is enough. You can create content like short motivational clips, faceless finance videos, uplifting quotes, AI voice stories, and upload them on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. This is free, and the audience reach is insane right now. Side hustle number 3. AI microtasks. All right, this one shocks beginners. You can get paid for doing tiny digital tasks using AI. On platforms like Clickworker, Remote Tasks, User Testing. You find simple tasks that anyone can do. Things like categorizing images, writing short responses, audio labeling, testing websites. You won't get rich, but it's a perfect starter hustle. Side hustle number 4. Selling digital products. You don't need inventory. You don't need shipping. Just your creativity. On sites like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, you get paid to do quick budget planners, fitness trackers, study templates, Notion pages. And yes, beginners make sales every day. Side hustle number 5. Online tutoring for absolute beginners. If you're good at one school subject, you're good enough. You can start earning just by teaching the subjects like math, English, computer basics, accounting fundamentals, on platforms like TutorMe, StudyPool, SuperProf. Even teaching basics earns money. Side hustle number 6. Social media management. You manage your own social media, right? Great. Now manage someone else's. Start small by offering posting, basic Canva designs, eye-catching posters to small cafés, local shops, students, home businesses. You don't need to be an expert, just a helper. Side hustle number 7. Reselling using your phone. This one is powerful, and it's completely free. Find things at home you don't use. Take clear photos. List them on Facebook Marketplace. Use WhatsApp groups. Sell and reinvest. People earn their first $50 to $100 within days. I know a student who started with nothing, He offered a $5 editing service on Fiverr, and within 6 weeks, he hit his first $300. And another person I know sold a simple digital planner on Etsy, and it became their first $1,000 month. These are real beginners, just like you. Here's the truth. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be rich. You just need to start. The moment you take action, even one small step, your income starts moving in a new direction.